Okay, got a little tip for you. If you need to record videos for social media, for YouTube, use Zoom. Yeah, you can use Zoom. Here's how. Set up a meeting within Zoom, and you can do this from a free account. So just set up a meeting. You can be the only person attending that meeting. Nobody else needs to be there. So set up a meeting, attend the meeting, start the meeting, and just hit the record button. You will have the option normally to drop that down, drop the recording and save it to your computer. So that's all you need to do. And record away. And when you finish, stop recording and it drops down on your computer, and you have an MP4 that you can process or you can publish straight away into Facebook or LinkedIn, or even upload to YouTube as well. The only other two little tools that I have, it depends on your laptop, but I have a little ring light that's sitting behind my laptop, and I have a microphone just down below here. There we go, which I use, which increases the sound quality. And the other thing is, but don't tell anybody this, that on Zoom you have the option to have the filter on, so it makes you look really glamorous, or more glamorous than you are already. So that's good. Anyway, use Zoom. You can use Zoom for recording, and it's really quick, it's really easy, and it's free as well. Hope that's been helpful. See you again. Bye.